back to Dubious Engineering. I would like to welcome Neil from RetroManCave.
Hello Howard, thanks for having me.
Oh, absolute pleasure. RetroManCave is a very well supported channel where Neil revives classic gaming equipment and computers. Sometimes
Successfully, sometimes not, but we try our best.
Generally successfully. Your Acorn Electron episode was the thing that really worked for me, so yeah, fantastic. We somehow sort of stumbled across each other on the internet, as you do, and don't worry, we both have women friends, everything's okay. We stumbled across each other on the internet and...
Plenty of Engineers, wasn't it?
Plentyofengineers.com, something like that, and we decided that we would have a little go at putting together something.
Yeah.
So
we don't want to give too much away.
No, absolutely, but well,
it involves buttons.
Whoops.
Involves joysticks. And we're quite excited about this one because it's actually sponsored by modmypi.com. They're supplying most of the parts. There's a few bits that we need to fabricate ourselves.
Mm-hmm.
But I think it's going to be an interesting project. It's going to need the skills definitely of both of us, I think. And it should make for a good video to watch, I hope. So yeah, look out for that.
Absolutely. So if you're not yet subscribed to this gentleman's channel, RetroManCave, get on there, check it out. He's got some fantastic stuff on there, some really good quality videos. They're so unlike my terribly poorly shot, badly lit videos. Talking of bad lighting, today's lighting is quite literally torches. Yeah, anyway, so enjoy the video of RetroPie getting upgraded from Pi2 to Pi3. See you later, cave dwellers.
Get on the cider.
Oh, drink up you cider. Right, this is all a little bit mad, as I'm sure you'll agree. Above my cooker and in the top of my kitchen cabinet, there is a Raspberry Pi audio system with a DAC. This is the Pi from the kitchen cabinet, and we're going to put it in place of this Pi. This is a Pi, this is a Model 3, and hopefully it's written on there somewhere. 3 Model B, there it is, yeah. And this is the one that we're going to unscrew, which is a 2 Model B. So the 3 Model B, there was some significant improvements in speed and capability. So yeah, give us a second. Okie dokes, there they are. So I've just transferred, this is the old one here, I've just transferred the heat sinks, which were self-adhesive heat sinks, from the 2 chips over. I now need to pull out the SD cards and transfer those over. Now it might be that this just works, or we might actually have to reprogram an SD card. Okay, so here goes the first plug-in, and there we go. We've got something going on. No, we don't have much going on at all, do we? We've got some lights. So, count the codes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. So, 4 slow and 4 fast. Yeah, reckon we're going to have to reprogram this bad boy. Okay, so there's a couple of prerequisites. One is RetroPie, the latest build, which you can pull down from the website. The other one is WinDisk Disk Imager, which I'm in the process of installing. And okay, so here's the fun. Windows doesn't know what a GZ or a gunzip file is, so I've had to download another piece of software called 7-zip in order to decompress that gunzipped file, which will then give us the IMG file, which we can then install with Win32 Disk Imager. Alright, good news. So hopefully, as you can see then, the progress bar is moving at the bottom, and we have now finally got the IMG, the image file, being uploaded to the little SD card, which we will put in the Pi Model 3. So, bear with us, see how we do. Okay, the new data has been uploaded. Time to plug this in. Boom. Ah, yeah, now we've got green flashing lights. And hopefully, with a bit of luck, something might happen on the TV. Ah, the TV's firing up. Ah, files, resized root file system, rebooting. Okay, yeah, this is looking promising. So, look at that. A whole load of Pi happening right there. Cool. Well, this looks positive. EmulationStation is loading. We've got to get everything connected up to the joystick and this kind of thing. So there's a few instructions to follow, but we're making progress. I've got the controller working, but it needs to be plugged in, and for some reason a Bluetooth doesn't appear to be running. So, right, a few hours later, and you never know, I might have got it. The following extra packages will be installed. Lib Bluetooth 3. Alright guys and girls, so there was definitely a problem with the good old Bluetooth drivers. Great news, that's all connected up now. Yeah, okay. Where's my hammer? I'll use my hammer to fit everything in there. Okay, so here it is then, good old RetroPie running away. Some 700 games, SNES games, some 1,820 MAME games, and the computer's working on decompressing a few more Nintendo games. So the reason why I upgraded from a Pi2 to a Pi3 was because I wanted to be able to play Super Mario Kart. So let's give it a quick try and see how we do. Dial you in a little bit better on the telly. We go. Remote control. Woohoo! Remote control, no cables. Right, bear with me. Alright, so what we've done then is we've selected a higher resolution video player, and we've gone with a higher res screen. So let's see what this see if this has much of an effect. I'll keep our fingers crossed. Anyway, that the Pi3 has made a bit of a difference to the quality of the visuals and everything. So yeah, cool. Well, thanks very much for watching. Sorry if it's been a bit of a toughie. Trust me, it's been a real toughie for me. This has actually been a lot bigger of a project, having to rebuild that box, just down to me making a few mistakes and not remembering what I'd done before. So anyway, cheers guys. Enjoy, subscribe, share, rate, leave comments below, that kind of stuff. Bye! Okay, there's a goat. Oh, I'm loving that. That is awesome. Goat and the dog.